2019 Escape SE. Let's take it for a drive and we'll show you what it's all about. The Escape truly is one of my favorite Ford vehicles.
There's so much to love about the Escape, and it's really a smart vehicle.
The functionality, the comfort,
Capability
it just makes
as
a
well,
lot
and
of
the efficiency.
Makes a lot of sense.
And they've jammed so much into this SE model for 2019.
Exactly.
It's just a well-rounded package. Get comfortable.
Yeah, let's get comfortable. We've got a 10-way power seat on the driver's side here.
Perfect. Adjustable backrest as well, and lumbar.
Headrest. I'm going to start it up here.
You can adjust your seatbelt height.
Yeah, let's get the steering wheel.
Tilt and telescopic steering.
Get that all comfortable.
Nice, comfortable driving position there. Get your power adjusted mirrors.
Yeah.
Those are heated.
They're heated along with the windshield wipers as well. Heated wiper park.
So you're going to be able to de-ice your wiper blades in the wintertime when you're parked.
Right.
That's part of the cold weather features now that are standard equipment on all models, including a block heater, including heated seats. We've got a high, medium, and a low setting for the heated seats. What else is included with that cold weather feature there?
Well, of course, we've got remote start as well.
Remote start. Let's see here. Part of that is right here on the key fob, which is an intelligent keyless entry key.
Right.
So with push button start. And so we just hit the lock button once and hit that button there twice to activate the remote start. How long can I run for remote?
10, 15, 5 minutes.
Right.
You can set that up right in the instrument cluster here.
Okay, perfect. Using the 5-way controllers on your instrument on your steering wheel, you're going to be able to adjust a bunch of different things.
Right. Seatbelts on, you're all ready to go?
Let's roll.
So this Escape SE is powered by the 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine.
Now that is a smart engine that uses turbo technology to produce more power. How much power are we talking about?
179 horsepower and 177 foot-pound of torque.
That'll get you moving.
There's a lot of get up and go in this little car.
And that's paired to a 6-speed select shift automatic transmission with manual mode.
Right. We've got our shifter here in the center. We can switch that to sport mode. And then from there, we've got little buttons on the side here that I can select what gear I want.
Right. So depending on how you like your driving style, you can either do sport mode or fully automatic.
Put it back into drive.
Ford Escape will handle just about any driving conditions that you're going to face, both summer or winter, with the intelligent 4-wheel drive.
Right, yes. That'll automatically move power towards the rear as needed. Now it's sensing hundreds of times per second to make sure that you've got traction when you need it.
Absolutely. So no matter what you're doing or where you're doing it, guys, you're going to have that confidence and that, sure-footedness, confidence when you're driving all seasons.
So this Escape has also got the Ford Smart and Safe package.
Yeah, I see here up on the mirror on the windshield here, there's a lens here which is going to monitor the markings on the road for lane keeping.
Right, just on the left-hand side with the signal indicator here, we've got our lane keep system. What that's going to do is register those lines and alert us and actually help correct if we veer towards those lines. So
it'll actually aid you if you're drifting off of the lane. Maybe you're tired while you're driving and you happen to drift off. That's going to make that course correction for you, bring it back into the lane and alert you and try to wake you up.
Right. Another feature that comes with that package is the adaptive cruise control.
Adaptive cruise control, fantastic. I really love that feature, especially on highway driving.
Oh, it's awesome on the highway.
Because now you set the gap between you and the vehicle in front of you, and it automatically adjusts that gap when the vehicle in front either speeds up or slows down to match your set speed.
Right. You're coming up on somebody, instead of having to push the brake or reduce the speed manually.
Yep.
It automatically senses that.
Fantastic. Part of the Ford Smart Safe package is the blind spot information system.
Right, little indicators on your side mirror. They'll turn orange if a vehicle comes up on your blind spot, which I can see we've got one that's about to.
There you go.
So another one of the reasons why I really love the Escape is just the functionality, the layout inside the cabin here. I really like the center stack. Everything's presented really nice. There's no weird angles. You get a nice view of, on this equipped Sync 3 system.
Standard equipment on SC and above now. You've got this beautiful LCD display that shows you your audio, your phone, your apps, and their settings as well. And we can add devices to that.
Right, so if we're using an Apple product, we've got Apple CarPlay. If we're on an Android phone, we've got Android Auto.
Right, so all Bluetooth capable, using voice-activated commands through the Sync 3 system. Now we can tell it what we want it to do.
Exactly, it makes staying connected while being safe really easy. Next part below that, we've got all of our climate controls.
And it's dual zone automatic.
Dual zone automatic.
So set it to automatic, set the temperature, and forget it.
And forget it. We've got our heated seat controls, as you mentioned.
Yep.
And below that, we've got a USB port to connect our devices, keep them charged.
There's also an auxiliary input as well, so if you need that extra bit of power. Down here in the center stack, or the center console, we have a smart USB charging port as well.
Right, lots of charging capability in this vehicle.
Yeah, and storage bins galore. Guys, I carry a really big coffee cup.
And yeah,
Look at how well that fits into that cup holder.
yeah, there's another little compartment here. There's lots of area here to keep your everyday devices,
Right.
Your phone, the key itself,
We've got a
stuff
big
from your
glove
pockets.
box.
Yeah,
There's the cup holders in the door with a little side pocket as well.
right. Now with Sync 3 on this vehicle, we've also got Sync Connect.
And Sync Connect gives you that capability to run what we call Ford Pass.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
So that app is unbelievable. From there, you can remote start the vehicle. You can set scheduled remote starts, unlock and lock your vehicle. You can check your fuel level. You can find fuel,
Yep.
including with prices. You can find parking.
Right. So it's a Ford Pass app. It's free. You just download it off of the App Store, and make sure you tell it you're not driving. I'm not. And now you have full access to all of those controls that you just talked about. Brilliant.
It's great.
And it's free for like 2 years.
Yeah.
So-
Remote start from anywhere.
It's a really smart vehicle on the inside, but just as smart on the outside.
There are a lot of features outside, starting with the secure code entry system.
I love that. It's a 5-pin code. You can program it to your favorite number, but allows you to just get out without the key, lock it. Maybe you're going to leave the key in the vehicle for someone else, and then come back later and punch in your code, and boom, bada bing.
Yeah, locking your keys in your car is virtually impossible with the Escape.
Right. And don't forget you have the option of using Ford Pass to do the same thing, lock and unlock.
Right.
Yeah. Other smart features on the outside of the vehicle, we've got the halogen headlamps together with fog lamps. So great visibility at night. and
Lots
daytime.
of visibility at night, lots of visibility during the day.
That switch on the left side down there, Drew, that's a fully automatic headlight.
Yes.
So-
Yeah, that's nice and easy. I don't have to worry about that at all. And on the right side here, I can see we've got rain sensing wipers as well.
Fantastic. So it really is jam-packed with these features that you're going to want, like the aluminum alloy wheels. It has that nice chrome brow on the side of the vehicle for the windows.
Right.
It's smart looking.
And it just drives awesome.
There is so much room behind the rear seats.
Yeah, I mean, we're super comfortable up front here. Plenty of space for both adults.
Yep.
Why don't we jump in the back here?
Notice the rear head restraints were down.
Right,
That
makes-
just helps to improve visibility.
Yeah, it makes it really easy. I never noticed them whatsoever looking in the rearview mirror.
There are grab handles on both sides here. So, getting in and out of the vehicle. Or for
Right.
those situations when you might need to hold on.
And you know what I noticed was, this is a smaller SUV.
It is.
I've got plenty of room here.
I'm 6'1", and I have at least 5 inches of leg room here.
Yeah.
Now, I want to get more comfortable. So this backrest, I'm going to pull the lever that's on the side of my seat over here and just go like this.
Yeah,
Right?
that's
Lean
really
back,
nice.
Lean back, pull out the armrest, got a couple of cup holders here, and get comfortable.
This is road trip right here.
This is, where are we going? We've got the vents in the center console at the rear as well, so for heat or for cooling, that is set from the front. And it looks like another power outlet
Another
here.
power outlet
That's an
down here
auxiliary
as well.
right? So you can plug in a device there.
So we've got extra cup holders in the door as well.
We've got LED lighting in the back here. And this is kind of interesting. There's only one light. So on one side, it actually directs a light to my side. So if I don't want to disturb this passenger while they're sleeping.
Right.
That's a good idea. This rear seat is 60-40 split. So when you need that extra bit of cargo room, you're going to be able to adjust that depending on what your needs are. Let's take a look at that. So again, on the side of the seat, we're just going to pull the lever down. So right there, give that a pull up, drop that down. There's the 60 that goes down. Back of the seats, we've got the tether anchors for the child car seats. Of course, there's the tether anchors in the lower portion of the seat cushion as well. And so you've extended all that cargo room to the back. We can do the same with this side. Flip the headrest down and drop the rear seat down. That's how easy it is. And now look at how much room we have.
We've got lots of space back here.
It's enormous.
The capability, the comfort, the flexibility with the Escape.
All that technology.
There's just so much more to learn.
You really need to come down and visit us at Sherwood Ford in Sherwood Park at 2540 Broadmoor Boulevard.
Take it for a drive.
And discover all there is to learn about this fantastic 2019 Ford Escape SE. Really appreciate you joining us on the drive today. Hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks very much.